Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel, and in this video we will talk about SOP, Statement of Purpose. When you are applying for master's degree or bachelor or PhD degree, then you have to submit your SOP, Statement of Purpose. So in this video we will cover that what we should write in our SOP and how to make our SOP have a good impact in our application. So let's start. SOP for an PhD application, it's like similar for masters or bachelor. It's like similar for other fields as well, other degrees as well. So you need to follow this structure during writing your SOP. For PhD application is crucial document that allows you to convey your motivations, qualifications, and research interest to admission committee. Here are key elements to include in your SOP. So what elements you should include in your SOP? First, introduction. Begin with a compelling and concise introduction that states your name, program you are applying to, and a brief summary of your background and motivation for pursuing PhD. Then, your academic journey. Discuss your academic history including your undergraduate and any relevant graduate studies. Highlight your academic achievements such as grades, honors, awards, and any research projects you have been involved in. Research interests. Explain your specific research interest and why you want to pursue a PhD. Clearly articulate the field or discipline you are interested in, the research questions you are passionate about, and any specific area or topics you wish to explore during your doctoral studies. So here you need to write your research interest. And you should be careful when you would be writing your research interest. It should be similar to your proposed supervisor. Why this university? Discuss why you are interested in this particular university and program. Mention specific faculty members, research centers, or resources that align with your research interest and goals. Show that you have done your research and have a genuine interest in this institution. Fit with the program. Explain how your academic and research background align with program's offering. Discuss how the program, curriculum, resources, and faculty expertise will contribute to your academic and research development. Your qualifications. Highlight your qualifications including relevant coursework, research experience, publications, internships, and any specialized skills or tools you bring to program. Provide evidence of your readiness for doctoral level work. Your research experience. Detail your period research experience. Include any projects you have been involved in, methodologies used, your contribution. Emphasize how these experiences have prepared you for the PhD level research. Career goal. Discuss how your long-term career goals and how a PhD from this program will help you achieve them. Mention whether you aspire to work in academia, industry, government, or other sectors. And personal qualification and values. Briefly touch on your personal qualities and values. Briefly touch on your personal qualities, values, and experiences that have shaped your academic and research interest. This can provide a glimpse into your character and motivation. Unique contribution. Highlight what makes you unique and what you can bring to academic community, such as diverse perspective, leadership experience, or contribution to the university culture. And in the last conclusion, summarize your SOP by reiterating your enthusiasm for the program and your commitment to academic and research excellence. Conclude with a strong statement about how the program is the next step in your academic journey. Then after you complete writing, then you need to proofread and edit if there are any updates needed in it. Carefully proofread your SOP for grammar, spelling, and clarity. Ensure that it follows any formatting and length requirement provided by the university. So you need to be careful. Sometimes universities will provide you the template for SOP or research proposal, so you need to follow that. Remember that your SOP is an opportunity to make a strong impression on the admission community and showcase your passion for your field of study. Tailor your statement to each university and program you apply to and make sure it reflects your genuine interest and aspiration. Thank you so much for watching the video and best of luck for your admission application. Take care. Bye.